Hi friends, welcome to Tech channel. Today I am going to show you in this video how to change device name Epson L8180 printer. So before start the video, please subscribe my channel for more latest video. Guys, if you want change your device name, then I will show you how to do this. First of all, you have to go settings. You can see here setting icon. Press here. Then here a little bit scroll down. In this you can see here network setting. Press here. Here a little bit scroll down. Then press on advanced. In this you can see here device name. Press here. You can see here device name Epson 585732. Press here. Then type name Epson EMS. Then press on OK. You can see here device name Epson EMS. That's it guys. So in this you will change device name in Epson L8180 printer. Thanks for watching friends. Hope like this video. If you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel.